Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we're going to unbox and have a look at Noctua A12-25 PWM Chromax fan. This is a 120mm case fan or radiator fan. You can use it for radiator as well. You can use it in your PC or your server or your miner, whatever you wanna use it. It's a really high performance fan. Really quiet, it looks really good. It comes with some soft rubber pads for the corners to avoid vibration. And yeah, basically this is how the box looks. So as you can see, it says with swappable anti-vibration pads in 7 colors. So we got red, blue, black, green, white, yellow and gray. On the side here, Chromax black swap, Chromax by Noctua. Chromax means it's all black. The regular one it's brownish with yeah, it's brown mostly with some creme accent or something like that. We got some specs and features on the back. Award-winning NF-A12 design, first introduced in 2018, has taken the hearts of quiet coolant enthusiasts, blah blah blah. Chromax Black Edition swap. Swap means you can swap these pads to match your build color, but I think in my opinion black or red looks best. That depends which one is your favorite color. So it's PWM, it's 4 pins. That means you can adjust the fan speed from software or BIOS, which is really great. Here we have the dimension, 4 pin PWM, 2000 rotations per minute. Maximum speed it's 22 decibels, which is quite good. 1.68 watts, 0.14 amps. And yeah, this is how the box looks like. Let's open it up and see what we get inside. Okay guys, so this is what we get after we open the box. We get a sample of each anti-vibration pad, separate box underneath with the rest of the vibration pads, so it's 4 pairs of each, so it goes in each corner. Mounting screws, a set of mounting screws, 4 of them. We get an extension cable because the cable that it comes with, it's actually really short. I'm gonna show you in a second. Let's take the fan out. This is the fan, this is the cable, the PWM 4 pin. And on the nice side, on the front side, which is the intake, it's got this rubber seal around the sides, and it's got a quite nice weight and build quality to it. I mean, it's amazing. It's quite expensive, it's about 30 pounds for one fan, but it's very good quality fan. It spins nicely. On the back we got some specs: 0.14 amps, 1.68 watts, DC 12 volts, and yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm gonna use this in a new build for a friend as an exhaust fan to take all the hot air from the case outside the case. He made a really good choice purchasing this. If you guys want to buy it, I'm gonna have a link in the description below with the best price on Amazon right now. And yeah, basically this is all you get. I wanted to show you guys what you get when you buy this kind of fan for this kind of price. You get the fan, the rubber pads, extension, cable, and a really good fan. You get one of the best fans in the world in terms of build quality, noise level and performance. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.